Welcome to What Does Q Think? Okay, if you're a YouTube TV subscriber, you already know that bill can be, well, a little painful. But what if I told you I found a super quick way for you to save some cash, like right now?
So right now, the regular price is a pretty steep 83 bucks a month. Yeah, that recent price hike definitely didn't go unnoticed. A lot of people are feeling that one.
But what if there was a simple little trick to knock that price down? And I'm talking about a way that works even if you're already a customer. You interested? Well, here it is. YouTube TV is quietly running this special promotion that saves you a really nice chunk of change. And you know the best part? It's not just for new people, it's for existing customers too. All told, it adds up to $66 in savings over just a couple of months. I mean, that's a pretty significant discount just for knowing where to click. So this offer drops your bill down to just under $50 a month for 2 full months. It's basically the same deal new customers get, but it looks like YouTube TV is using it as a retention offer to keep you from canceling.
And listen, claiming this is so easy. You don't have to call anyone or jump through a bunch of hoops. It's just sitting there, right inside your account settings.
Okay, here's exactly what you do. First, just go to your account settings page. Once you're there, click on the Manage button for your subscription, and boom, the offer should just pop right up for you. Now, here's a little pro tip for you. Some people have mentioned that the offer isn't showing up on their phone. If that happens, just try logging in on a regular computer, a desktop, or a laptop. For some reason, it seems to show up more reliably there. So you're probably wondering, why in the world is YouTube TV doing this? Well, it really all comes down to keeping customers in what's become a super competitive market. Think about it. After they jacked the price up to $83, a lot of customers were not happy. So these little retention offers, they seem to be a direct response to that backlash. And it's not just about that price hike. The streaming world is absolutely packed with cheaper skinny bundles, those smaller channel packages, and tons of standalone apps. This discount is YouTube TV's way of saying, hey, please don't switch. So, the million-dollar question is, were you able to get the deal? Did this actually work for you? Do me a favor and head down to the comments to let me know. Your feedback really helps everyone else figure out if the offer is still live and kicking. And hey, if this was helpful, I'd really appreciate it if you'd share it with a friend who has YouTube TV. Oh, and of course, please like and subscribe to the show for more tips just like this one. It helps a ton.